welcome back to my channel again. And today we will be discussing uh, about JavaScript. So last week I actually learned about JavaScript, and pretty much it was common and like much used um, in most of websites. So basically, most of my websites were run from CSS and HTML, and well, we'll be summarizing it back. So HTML was like hypertext markup link, and then like um, CSS was like the cascading style sheet. But what about GS, or most knownly as JavaScript? So JavaScript is like a brain model for like a website, mostly like run, and then like our I actually like learn about like five variables of a website, that is including like string, number, object, and like a boolean and array. So what are those functions? So basically about those five functions were um, so like we'll be discussing about string. So string, wait, I'm just gonna move this. Ugh. Okay. So this is my JavaScript, my GS. Um, so we got string, boolean, array, and number. So what are those? And okay, let me tell you. String basically is like it's a text that is anything you can put an input inside. Like if you want to input like quotes, name, or example, like anything like characters or any words that you want to input. And the example was like, okay, let me just run the open live server. This is what it's actually what it's for, like the string. If I'm just like typing like Mike, but like to run this console, well actually I'm trying to make it like a console thing, and I'll just press the F12, and yeah, it actually came out like a console. But yeah, it's just in order to run it you have to like type in and then like press start. And okay, let's get back to the JavaScript. I mean like, yeah, the VSG. So basically that is what string for. And we'll be discussing about boolean. And boolean is like it's like what is it called, like uh it's like if you want to input like true or false. So yeah, in order to actually connect this, actually I input like function. So what are the functions for? So basically functions are like if you want to input like something is much more like important for you, or if you want to input like a choice that is including like if and else if. And yeah, those are the functions. But not only that, if you're like trying to input something like for example, if you're trying to like function, if you're just pressing function from the HTML, you can actually like, I mean, yeah, if you're actually like typing HTML, like start in the HTML, basically it will actually like run the websites again, like this, for example. And then um, if you're actually like if you're actually like typing like the choice, if you want to make like the one that I was talking about, okay, let me just try it. So basically you just put it on the console like this and like enter. It's going to be like, see, this is the choice, like a small monster appears and your hero fights using 15 text power. So yeah, and then um those are like the if else from the function choice that I'm inputting. But okay, also we'll be talking about the array. So what is array? Array is like a list of values that you want to input, like an ordered or stored together, and then like you can actually store many items in one variable. And then there is also items can be like many types, like string numbers. And sorry, my video was cut off because I was talking more than 5 minutes. So I just found out my laptop recording won't actually like allow me to record more than 5 minutes. So yeah, it was cut it off. And then yeah, so getting back to the array, where's it? Sorry. Um, yeah, array. So array is like an item that you want to input, and then like yeah. So basically, the array was actually like used for um, array is like if you want to list some kind of items that you want to input. So it's actually like basically it's like the same as number, but those are different. Number is for like database that you want to input for your character. That is the let hero level. As you can see, this one, let hero level 1, like the number for it. Oh, sorry. Yeah, that was the number. Sorry. So like the object was like okay, it's getting nowhere. Actually, array and the object are actually different. So like the object was for the database, but the array was the item that you wanted to list yourself. And basically, um, yeah, so it's something like that. But yeah, and also, yeah, I think this is all. Um, oh, yeah. If you're actually like very confused where we're actually like left off, so basically I'll just explaining about the console.log and each of the elements that use for and what is it for. So basically console.log. Sorry, sorry, I'm sorry. It's very rude. Okay, it's like if you want to use something to print, like something to the console. I mean, like, oh man, it's like a screen for the developers. Yeah, it's simple as that. And then and the if and the else if that I am inputting on my function choice were like actually it's like a choice that you want to input. Like if what is the definition of if? Well, if is a if anyways. If it's like if you have a choice and it is like basically if and the else if is like else if is like the other if. So like if this if and then this is the else. So like it's separate, like the if and the else if. English is so hard. Okay, yeah, it's really hard to explain. So, anyways, yeah, if and else if is like an opinion and choice that you want to input on your program, and yeah, so those are the variables I actually learned in interactive media design, interactive media website. I mean web design, and yeah, um, I hope you guys having a good day, and thank you for watching. Oh, wait. Also, let me just show you um, about my cool website that I actually just about to explain. So, yeah, basically, um, this is the start console that you want to input yourself. This is my name, Mike, and then like I just started like like this, and then like oh yeah. So my fault was like basically I inputted like choice true. Like I didn't input in my JavaScript was true. So it's kind of my fault, and I'm kind of like it's not much time to do. So this is the choice true. If I'm inputting like the type in the console, it's going to be like boom. It's like oh no, this is the right. Oh yes, this is the right path, and the small monster appears. And also, as I was just talking about the else if was yeah, if it's the true, and then like I'll say first of all. Anyways, yeah, it's like the other opinion. Much time. I don't want my video duration would be more than 10 minutes, and yeah, I'm kind of feel sorry about that. And anyways, as I was like, I'll be just quick, okay? So this is the if and else if I was talking about, and the if was the true, and the else if was the choice false. Anyways, yeah, if and else if it's like different, and it's so hard. It's hard to explain it. Anyways, yeah, as I was like, um this is the opinion that is true I'm choosing, and this is going to be the other opinion I input myself choice. So yeah, um, I'm going to make this as a false choice false, and look as it's just going to be different. I'm choosing the left path, and this is the right path. A small monster appears from the right path, but the left path seems quiet, just like me. I'm actually, yeah, I was just kidding. Anyways, I'm not introvert myself, but I look like it. Anyways, yeah. So basically, those are the materials I learned about, and this is also the website that I've been making. It's about JavaScript and how to run the storytell in the cool ways of console. And thanks for Professor Simo for like teach us. And thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a nice day, and thank you.